Chia seeds enhances collagen production. It is anti-aging and it works like ceramides for skin. It gives deep hydration throughout the day. Chia seeds are rich in water-soluble fiber, thus keeping your skin hydrated throughout the day. For the ingredients, you will need chia seeds or sabja seeds, a glass of purified water, an ice roller. Let's see how to prepare this. Add 2 teaspoons of chia seeds to a glass of water. Chia seeds contain 9 amino acids including collagen. Chia seeds strengthens the skin's natural barrier like a ceramide cream. Leave the water untouched for 5 minutes so that the chia seeds expands its size. Transfer the mixture to the ice roller. Freeze it for 4 hours. In the morning after cleansing your face, start using the ice roller. Massage face with ice roller in small circular motions with a gap of 30 seconds in between. It contours and sculpts your face. It adds radiance to your skin. Chia seeds are rich in water-soluble fiber, thus keeping your skin hydrated throughout the day. It reduces acne, dark spots and blemishes to give you a clear skin. This would give your face sculpted and contoured look with anti-aging benefits and deep hydration. Thank you so much for watching.